Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing 5C simultaneous equation. Now we can solve in using algebra, but today we are going to learn how to use diagram instead. So you're doing graphs. So I'm going to give you one example. Sometimes it could be quite useful. So I give you one real life example. Okay, so if you're signing up for a gym membership. Gym A requires $50 sign up fee and costs you $20 per month. Now B costs you $100 upfront sign up fee and $15 per month. Now if you've done 5B, you should be able to write a equation for that. So let's say the cost use C to represent, and the time is per month. So let's do month using amp to represent. Okay, so the cost for A, I just write related so to separate those two. Now if you remember how to do simultaneous equation using the information if you remember in 5B, we can quickly write out the equation using the information we got. So because it's per month, so $20 per month, so is 20 amp. Oopsie. So it's $20 times how many months? Yeah. Now you got $50 upfront, so there's one cost at the beginning. No matter how many months, you still need to get charged for that. So it's $50 a day. Okay, that's the equation. Easy. Now you can pause this video and tell me how and write the equation for the cost for B. Once you're done, it should be 15M plus 100. So it's $15 a month, 100 upfront. Yep. Cool. Now you can also do table value so to make it easier to do diagrams. Okay. So let's say the cost is on the top column, and then gym A here is this. Cost is the first row, A is second row, and gym B is the third. Okay, I'm just gonna write it out. So 1 month, 2 months, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's do 1 year first. Okay, A, I'm going to use pink. So let's do that. Gym A is $50 a month. $50 upfront plus $20 a month. So the first month you need to pay $50 and $20. Okay, so that would be 70. And then the next month you need to add 20 more. So I'm talking about the total cost. Okay, so the second month you need to add 20, so that would be 90. And 20 is 110. Okay, and then 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, and 290. Okay, cool. Hopefully I didn't stuff this up. Now the next one I'm going to use purple. Purple is probably not a good idea. Let's use green. Okay. Now 100 upfront, $15 a month. So the first month it costs you first month it costs you $115, and then you add $15 every month. You have $15 a month. So 130, 145, 160, 175, 190, and 205, 220, and 235, 250. Oh, the same. Interesting. Let's highlight this one first, and then 265 and 280. Okay, cool. Now let's do that on the diagram here. So just gonna quickly draw a graph. Okay, sorry, it's time constraint. I couldn't do it that nicely. Now we know the size cost. unit is dollar. The bottom is month. Month is just month, hey. Now we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. On the side, we need to go out to 300. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12, how do we get out to 300? 10 times 12 is 120. 2 times 12 is 240. 3 times 12 is 360. I think 360 works. So 30 each. 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 240 to what? 70, 300, 330, and 360. Okay, cool. Now again, pink is the first one, so start from 70, so a little bit ahead here. Well, for me, I would like to use the pointer to actually have a number, so I apologize for the long over. Now 150 has a number, so 150 is 5 months here, and then you got 210 is 8 months. 210 is 8 months. I think we're doing okay. So just draw a straight line across. On iPads I can't do better than this, so just need to use the ruler here. It's easier to do on your paper, I guess. Okay, so got a line here, so cost A is $20 or $20 per month plus $50 front. Okay, now the next one is green. It doesn't look like there's any number that we kind of got on the line, so you just need to do as best we can. So first month is 105. 105 is kind of slightly below 120. Okay, and then so 160. Let's do 160. 4 month 160. 160 is a little bit ahead here. Okay, so apologize if you can't see. It's not really that easy to see either. Yeah, I think that looks right. Okay. And the reason I'm off a little bit because we know that in 12 months, in 10 months, they cross. So right there as well. So just make sure you got a nice line here. Probably a lot easier to do on yours, or it's probably a lot easier if you do a diagram bigger. Okay, so now you got cost B because $15 a month plus $100 upfront. Okay, so in here, in use this diagram, we kind of can get that similar information here. In 10 months, the total cost is the same. In the diagram here, 10-month total cost is the same, yeah. So that's kind of the way we solve simultaneous equation using a graph. Basically, drawing two graphs where they meet is the solution. Is when basically in general term is basically when they cost the same, yeah, or when they have the same y values, or yeah. Next lesson we're going to learn how to do using algebra, how to solve simultaneous equation using algebra. But this lesson we just focusing on graph. Okay, well, it's probably much quicker math if you're not really strong at algebra. Okay, now you can if you get what we did here, you can pause this video and do this question first. And once you're done, we can go through this together. Okay, sure. Let's start with the first one. First one change a little bit. I'm going to use this one for green. Okay, so just plot those dots. 0, 0, 1, 2. So it's here. We actually just need 2 dots to draw a straight line. So I'm just going to start like this. Okay. Now I think off a little bit. Okay. Now this is, let's say this is A. And then pink and second one, always like pink. So 0, 6 here, 1, 5 here. So easy. So this is B. Okay, so question asking the point of intersection, which is here. What's the coordinate? You got it, is 2 and 4. Okay, so make sure you write 2, 4 and in a bracket. This is indicating it's a point. Okay. When they ask you for solution, I show you in the next question how to write the answer for a solution. Okay, so if you understand this, if you get this one, that one should be easy too. Okay, basically we just need to fill up the table values and then we draw the graph. Well, this time they don't give you a graph, so you need to do it yourself. So yeah, that's a little bit annoying, but hey. We need to learn how to do harder stuff, okay? So first, to fill out the table value, again, we do substitution. So -2 in substitute into x. So it's 3 times x, so it's 3 times the -2, so -6. Minus 3 is -9. So 3 times -1 is -3. -3 minus 3 is not 0, it's -6. You can time your calculator. And then 0 minus 3 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 3. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. Wait, what's this one? Whoopsie. No, 0 times 3 is 0. 0 minus 3 is -3. My bad. I got this one wrong. Okay. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 3 is 3. Okay. I'm going to do the other one first because I want to see what range I need to draw a diagram. Okay. So here we got a -2 substitute in here. -2 plus 1 is -1. -1 plus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1, oh, this one's hard, okay? 1 plus 1 is 2. You can time your calculator if you're not sure about that. No, wait, this 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Apparently I got it wrong. Now, the x range from -2 to 2, -2 to 2. Now the y range from -6 to 3. That's a little bit big. Okay, well, let's do what we can. So -2 to 2 is symmetrical, so we just do the vertical line right in the middle. The other one, we got -3 to 6, so you know what? I like the top to be 3. Okay. Now we actually label them more, so the next question I'm not going to label it because just to save some time, otherwise my video is too long. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, -4, 6, -7, -8, -9. Oh, actually made it. Cool. First one, let's do green again. Okay, green, so -2, -9. Yeah. And -1, -6. Sure. So only 2 dots to a line. Okay, looks right here. So the equation is y equals 3x minus 3. The second one I'm going to pink again. This one's pink. -2, -1, -2, -1, -1, 0. So looks like it's going this way. Okay, so it's y equals x plus 1. Now, we can find the point intersects here. So what's the coordinate? 2, 3. Okay, so the solution, because the question asking us to find a solution. The solution is 2 and 3. Also, because it's simultaneous equation, we also need to write as x equals to 2. This first one is x, second is y, yeah? Y equals to 3. So if you write one of those, it should be correct as well, but just in case, you don't want to lose any marks, so write them both. Easy. Or actually, the second one is more correct, but yeah, just write them both, so you won't lose any mark. Happy? Cool. Now, this one, if you're not sure how to draw a straight line, you can always use table of values. You only need to substitute 2 number to draw a straight line. Or, if you remember what we did last lesson, there's a shortcut for that. So I'm going to show you how to do this today, again today, just to refresh your memories. So just quickly draw the Cartesian plan first. Wasn't even sure what I'm trying to do, so I'm just going to draw that. You need to write a number in as well, so from all label numbers, but just to save time, I'm going to skip that part. Okay, so y equals negative x. So if you remember, we got it. The general form is y equals mx plus b. Yeah? So b is the intercept. So there's no b here, so that means 0. So you're going through 0 and 0 here. Okay. Now, m here is negative 1. Negative 1 is the same as negative 1 over 1. If you remember what we did last lesson or the lesson before, the top bit is up or down, and bottom bit is left or right. Okay, so negative 1, so 1 down, and then 1 right. Okay, positive right. So here, so kind of, it's our graph here. I can't really do like too straight here, so I don't have a ruler, so this is only a way I can do it. Okay, so it's y equals to negative x. Yeah, I'm showing another one, pink again, this one. So this one you can write a y as negative 2x plus 4, yeah, you just rearrange, swap it. It's positive 4, so it means it cut through the y-axis at 4, so here, and then the m is negative 2. Negative 2 is negative 2 over 1 here. So 2 down, 1 to the right. 2 down, 1 to the right, so you got it here. Basically like this. So y equals to 4 minus 2x. Okay. Now, we've got a solution here. That is 4, and that's negative 4. So 4, negative 4. Or if you thought these two numbers is wrong, because negative 4 and 4 is here, this dot. Okay, so make sure you don't swap the orders. So the solution is 4 and negative 4. And again, we can write as x equals to 4, y equals negative 4. So write them both so you don't get it wrong. Cool. Hope this helps. Today's homework is those few questions. Obviously, the question we did kind of did a little bit more. Just want you guys to finish the rest of the question, okay? So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.